How to copy paste setups to other worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this intermediate Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent trick that will allow you to copy your paste setup to multiple worksheet or all your worksheet in your current workbook. Let's get started. Now, paste setup is a setup that will set up your appearances when printing your worksheet. Okay, so usually you have to set up your page for printing on each worksheet individually. Okay, and I have this awkward example of data. I have hello in cell A1 and hello 1 in H1, and I have almost similar data set on this 4 worksheet. This is just for example. The tutorial will be helpful for you if you have a lots of worksheets. Let's say you have 50 worksheet and you need to specify page setup for all of them, and you need to set up same style for all of them. Now let's create our page setup for sheet 1. Click on page layout, and I'm going to change the orientation to landscape, and I'm going to add custom margin, and I am in the page setup dialog box, and I'm going to center the print area. And if I click on print preview, this is my page setup. Okay, let's add a bit header and footer. So I have added header, and now I'm going to add footer. Now if I press Ctrl P for print preview, you can see this is simple header, this is the data set hello to hello 1, and this is the footer. Okay, now if I click on sheet 2 and if I press Ctrl P, and you can see this is a bit different. Okay, so the setup we created for sheet 1 does not apply to sheet 3, 4 or any other sheets. Okay, so each time you need to print, you need to set up each of these worksheet, which is really tiresome and I don't like it. Let's say you have set up your first worksheet, or you have set up one of your worksheets perfectly for your printing, and you want the same formatting to be pasted to all of your worksheet, or let's say multiple worksheet. Now the difference between all of your worksheet and selecting multiple worksheet is just a basic task. So if I press Ctrl and click on, let's say, sheet 2 and 3, I have selected these 3 worksheet but not all of the 4 worksheet. Okay, now if I right click and ungroup sheet, and now if I click on sheet 1, right click here and select all sheets, this will select all the worksheet on my worksheet. Okay, so in this example, I'm going to paste the same page setup to all of my worksheets. So I have right click and selected select all worksheet. Now I have already set up sheet 1 and I just need to copy it to all this worksheet. For that, I'm going to click on page layout and click on this page setup. And here, if I click here, you can see we are in the page setup. But if you don't want to click there, you need to press keyboard shortcut, which is Alt P, and then you will have to press SP. We are in the same position. Our page setup dialog box is open. You don't have to do anything here. Just click on OK. Okay. Now right click here and ungroup sheets. So for sheet 1, we had created our personalized page setup. If I press Ctrl P, you can see this is the personalized page setup. But if I click on sheet 2 and if I press Ctrl P, and we have the same page setup. Again, let's check sheet 4. If I click on sheet 4 and press Ctrl P, and you can see we have the same page setup. That means in this way we can copy our page setup to multiple worksheets or all of the worksheets we have in our current workbook for printing. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.